I already mentioned in a former video how I hate microwaves, and it's getting to that time of year where I can actually make some hot tea, enjoy it, not sweat my ass off. And this is what I like to do. We've got a whistling tea kettle here, and it's just about to start whistling here in a second. I just got some tea bag tea in it. I've got the loose tea method. Kind of like that more about just being lazy and threw this stuff in real quick. Thought I'd show a whistling tea kettle in action. I think it's actually different boiling water this way versus having it heated up in a microwave. As odd as that might sound, it seems like this stays hotter a lot longer, whereas microwave water gets cool rather quickly. I don't know why it's a difference, but it seems to be different. It also takes longer this way, but I prefer it. I'm not sure you can hear it, but it's boiling pretty good right now. There we go. Alright. I just let it sit for a couple minutes, then pour it. So that's that. Quick and easy. Just want to show a whistling tea kettle.